Find the maximum or minimum value of the function. Now, I know that this is going to be quadratic. I also know that it's going to look like this, mainly because this guy is positive. If this guy was negative, it would look like this. But it's going to look like this, which means I'm going to have a minimum value. In order to find my minimum value, I can either complete the square and find where the vertex is, or I can use the fact that I know that x equals negative b over 2a is where the minimum value is going to happen. Here, my a is 1/2. That comes from the leading coefficient. B is going to be 2. That comes from this guy right here. And so I get negative b over 2a. So it's going to be 2 times 1/2. So this becomes negative 2 over 1, which ends up being negative 2. So x equals negative 2 is where the minimum is going to happen. If I want to know what the minimum is, I need to plug negative 2 back into this function right here. And if I do that, I end up getting h of negative 2, which is going to be 1/2 negative 2 squared plus 2 times negative 2 minus 6. Well, negative 2 squared is positive 4, so I'm going to get 1/2 of 4 minus 4, because 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, minus 6, which then gives me 2 minus 4 minus 6, which ends up giving me negative 8. So I have a minimum at negative 2 of negative 8. So pretty much my answer is negative 8, because my minimum is negative 8, but it happens at negative 2.